Let's look at a correctly drawn electric drill versus a incorrect one. Right, so number one, the hatching. The hatching has this bit here at a third. We've got a lot of contrast. You could add even more contrast. This shows this is a metallic piece and it has a really strong reflection. Number two, the section perspective. The section axonometric, sorry. You see the outline? It shows the thickness of the cut. A couple of mistakes, of course. It should be interrupted where the tip of the electric drill and the power button is. Right? Number three, the graphics overall. You see that they're precise. They are clean, right? It's compared to an electric drill, which, again, is lacking the precise graphics, lacking the effect of the metal, which is the important thing here. Has a lot of perspective mistakes. These ellipses should have been lines. Right? This is a mistake here. Right, and the graphics are off overall. Let's compare back to the proper one. More delicate, more precise graphics, more brutal graphics. Cool, if you like this short tutorial, don't forget to join my free course. I'll see you on the other side. Take care, draw nicely.